Hello, I'm Sean Brewer from Academic Technology, and welcome to this Blackboard video tutorial. The topic for this video is deploying a test in Blackboard. This video tutorial will walk you through the steps of deploying a test in Blackboard. This includes all of the settings that control how the test will behave for students. This tutorial assumes that you have already created a test and are ready to deploy it for students to take. First, select the area of the course site where you want the test link to appear. I'm going to select Tests and Quizzes. Put your mouse over the Assessments menu. When the menu opens, select the Test item. When the Create Test page appears, select the test you want to deploy from the Add an Existing Test list box. Once you've made your selection, click Submit. You will automatically be sent to the Test Options page. The name and description displayed here are what you entered when creating the test. Scroll down for more options. The first option is whether to open the test in a new window. Under most circumstances, it is best to leave this option set to No. Next is the option to make the test link available. You must set this to Yes if you want students to take the test. You can also choose to have Blackboard create an announcement. At the end of this video, you'll see an example of such an announcement. Next, you can choose how many attempts to allow per student. If the box remains unchecked, students will get 1 attempt. You may also choose unlimited attempts or set a specific number. I'm going to allow 2 attempts. When allowing multiple attempts, you can tell Blackboard which attempt to use for the student's grade. Click the Score Attempts Using drop-down to view the options. Last graded attempt is the default setting. Additionally, you can choose from highest grade, lowest grade, first graded attempt, or average of graded attempts. I'm going to choose highest grade. The Forced Completion option determines whether students can leave the test and re-enter. If you will be unavailable to reset student attempts if they have problems, then leaving this option unchecked may prove helpful. Next is the option to set a time limit for the test. Check the appropriate box and then enter the desired amount of time. You can also choose whether to have the test auto-submit at the end of the time limit. Most instructors will want this option turned on. You can also choose the dates governing when the link becomes available to students and when it will be removed from the student view. You have the option of setting a password, but should only do so if necessary. Passwords are helpful if the test will be proctored, for example. Test availability exceptions allow you to provide alternate options for individuals or groups, including availability and timer length. For more information on this feature, please view the video entitled Setting Test Availability Exceptions. Setting the due date is separate from the Display After and Display Until options seen previously. The due date will allow the test to display in the calendar. Also, you can prevent students from beginning the test past this date. You can choose whether to include the test in the Grade Center calculations. Unchecking the box allows the test to report a grade, but it will not count toward the student's grades in the Grade Center. Next is the option to hide the test results from yourself. This makes the test a self-assessment and only the student can see the score. This option would only be checked in rare circumstances. Next, you can choose how much information to share with students once they finish the test. For more information, please view the video tutorial entitled Setting Test Feedback Options. Finally, you can choose how the test will be presented to students. All at once is recommended, but one at a time gives you the ability to prohibit backtracking. You should not choose one at a time here and forced completion above together. The final option is to randomize questions. This makes cheating more difficult since students will see the questions in different orders. Once you've finished setting options, click Submit. Your test has now been deployed and is ready for students to begin taking it. Click Announcements to view the automatically generated announcement. Thank you. This video tutorial was developed by the Information Technology Division at Western Kentucky University. If you have questions or need further assistance, please contact the IT Help Desk at 270-745-7000.